Hi everybody. I'm in Pakistan now. We will visit some cities in Pakistan, northern area. We are traveling to Kalam now. From Islamabad to Kalam, approximately mm, 6.5 hours. This is nice place and beautiful. Now we are traveling because now is snow falling and have a beautiful view. You will see some another cities, beautiful views, mountains, rivers, like that many more. You will enjoy in the video. But if you wanna come in the Kalam, if you wanna enjoy snow falling, you can come especially in November, December, January, February, and March. It's if you wanna enjoy with the snow. But their temperature is very low. You have to bring with your warm clothes, especially good shoes and sweaters and jackets and everything because it's very low temperature. And they have a nice hotel also. You will enjoy and nice food and traditional food you will enjoy if you want to eat between when you will go to Kalam between have a many cities you will enjoy there have a nice food like traditional Pakistani food you will enjoy lamb mutton fish like special there is chapali kebab. You will enjoy there you will see and the good taste and not much expensive and hotel also is not much expensive. It's a good hotel also. And you will enjoy my video and they have some very nice views. Enjoy, and if you will enjoy, just please subscribe my video and watch. Thank you.